Hey, quick pause before you scroll. If you're the kind of person who hates wasted desk space but still demands real power, the Hyper H2 is going to make immediate sense to you. You're not chasing flashy towers anymore. You care about efficiency, clean setups, and hardware that quietly outperforms expectations. If you've reached that phase where clutter feels like friction, this machine was built for you. Before we go further, check the current price and availability. Small high-demand systems like this tend to move fast. You probably remember the exact moment you realized your old setup wasn't cutting it anymore. The lag spikes. The fan noise. The feeling that you were constantly managing limitations instead of getting work done or enjoying your games. That's the moment this upgrade fixes instantly. Once you move away from compromised hardware, the relief is immediate. Everything feels calmer, faster, under control. In real use, this thing blends into your life in the best way. Late-night gaming sessions where performance stays locked in without sounding like a jet engine. Editing timelines that scrub smoothly without hesitation. Multi-screen office work where windows glide instead of stutter. Even binge-watching in 4K feels different when the system behind it never struggles. What stands out isn't just speed, it's confidence. You feel it when apps open instantly. When multitasking stops being a gamble. When the system stays cool and responsive no matter how hard you push it. That's the kind of performance that changes how you work and play, not just how fast benchmarks load. If you're considering it, don't wait around for stock shifts or weird price jumps. Compact power machines like this don't sit still for long, and hesitation usually turns into regret later. Maybe you're wondering if a mini PC can really replace a larger desktop. That doubt disappears the moment you realize you're not sacrificing capability. You're shedding inefficiency. The surprise benefit is how freeing it feels. Less noise. Less heat. Less space taken. More focus. Owning something built this tightly feels different. You don't feel like you settled. You feel like you chose intentionally. It stays fast no matter what you throw at it. It keeps your desk clean and controlled. It handles serious workloads without drama. It feels premium every time you sit down. It quietly outclasses bigger, messier systems. Yes. Expansion is more limited than a full tower, and ultra-high-end GPU upgrades aren't the goal here, but at some point, you stop comparison looping. You choose the machine you already knew matched how you work now. Every time you consider something weaker or bulkier, you come right back here. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you delay and wish you'd done sooner. If your setup is ready to evolve, make the call, check the price, lock it in, and move forward with the Hyper H2.